Garden water hose expandable double metal connector high pressure PVC Real Magi. Garden water hose expandable double metal connector high pressure PVC Real Magic water pipes for garden farm irrigation car wash. Overview. A garden water hose is a must-have for any gardener. It can be used to water plants, wash cars, and clean up messes. However, traditional garden hoses can be bulky and difficult to store. That's where expandable garden hoses come in. Expandable garden hoses are made of a flexible material that allows them to expand to several times their original size. This makes them much easier to store and transport. Features. The garden water hose expandable double metal connector high pressure PVC Real Magic water pipes for garden farm irrigation car wash has a number of features that make it a great choice for gardeners. These features include expandable design. The hose expands to up to 3 times its original size, making it easy to store and transport. High pressure. The hose can withstand high pressure, making it ideal for tasks such as washing cars and cleaning up messes. Double metal connector. The hose has 2 metal connectors that provide a secure connection. PVC material. The hose is made of durable PVC material that is resistant to wear and tear. Benefits. There are a number of benefits to using an expandable garden hose. These benefits include convenience. Expandable garden hoses are much easier to store and transport than traditional garden hoses. Durability. Expandable garden hoses are made of durable materials that are resistant to wear and tear. Versatility. Expandable garden hoses can be used for a variety of tasks, such as watering plants, washing cars, and cleaning up messes. Verdict. The garden water hose expandable double metal connector high pressure PVC Real Magic water pipes for garden farm irrigation car wash is a great choice for gardeners who are looking for a versatile and easy to use hose. It is made of durable materials, is expandable to 3 times its original size, and has a high pressure rating. This makes it ideal for a variety of tasks, such as watering plants, washing cars, and cleaning up messes.